Good morning to all. Good morning to all. I am Subramanian, working as assistant professor in automobile department at SNSCT College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the traction and the topic of traction control system in the subject of adaptive control system. So the traction control system means what is traction control system? Whatever the force applied to the wheel or tires, the road is having some gripness with the wheel itself. So that's applied force will be just opposite. So that there will be tractor force will be there and normal force. The three force applied torque to turn the wheel, to rotate the wheel, and whereas the normal force applied due to the weight of the vehicle itself, and then since the applied force is the opposite will be there, tractor force will be there. So this tractive effort is a contact between the driving wheels and the road. This is the tractive effort, and the wheels must be have to transmit the effort. This effort without slipping. That's known as slippage. Is known as traction self. The traction is the friction between the driving wheel and the road surface. So in this system, we can see about the tractor control system is active vehicle safety features that prevents the wheel spin also, and also it works alongside the anti-lock braking system. It ensures the maximum traction during the acceleration itself. Mainly, the traction system is controlled where there is on the IC road, wet IC road, or also on during the rainy season also. So rainy season there will be more slip of the wheels with the road will be there. So this control system has to be monitored and has to be controlled itself to control the wheel spin to enhance the safety and the performance. So if the traction control system is not active, it means here you can see there may be a collision between both the wheels. The vehicle has to turn where the road has been turning there. This road bumps will be turning it such that it may be collided, or else it may be transferred from the track itself to the other track itself. So if on the accelerating on the low friction of the road surface. If there's with the traction control, if it is the traction control means it can be able to travel smoothly, such that it can able to detect the previous vehicle's speed and can able to be slow the speed itself. The components used in this traction control system is wheel speed sensors, which monitors the rational speed of each vehicle itself. And next one, it passes the message to the electronic control unit, which processes signals and take the corrective action itself. And also it gives the instructions to the brake actuators, such that applying the brake to the spinning wheels itself. And finally comes the throttle controller. It modifies the engine power. In previous class which you seen about the cylinder cutoff technology, will be working in this process of here. So this is the working principle. That is where the input is wheel speed sensors, battery, and a traction control switch. When we having the input given to it, where the process of the electronic control unit will be having the monitoring the absolute anti-lock braking system with the traction control system or traction control system, which will be controlled by the ECU survey. Which ECU will be giving the input to the ECM machine, and the ECM will be replying to it. According to the ECU, the information will pass the output as the actuator solenoid, an actuator pump motor, and a traction control status indicator. Here you can see elaborately the traction control systems, the working principle of it. The sensors, once if detected with one or more sensors, will give the one or more wheels are spinning faster than the others. Easy electronic control unit processes the data and detects the loss of traction. The braking is applied to the slipping wheels or engine power is reduced by the help of the cylinder cutoff technology. And this system operates in milliseconds only for the real-time corrections. So that different types of traction control systems are: one is a brake-based TCS, that is a brake will be applied to the individual wheels separately, or the engine-based traction control system, which cuts the engine torque via throttle control or the fuel cutoff itself. And finally comes the hybrid systems, which is a combination of both the brake-based and engine-based itself. It will give more effectiveness to the control itself. And the advantages placed here is the installation of the traction control is easy as it uses the same infrastructure as the anti-lock braking system, and it is in snow or rain conditions the traction control system present is an effective control where any problem during the rotation of the wheels the system can detect it. So it prevents the skidding and the wheel spin, enhances the vehicle stability and steering conditions, also improves the vacillation of the low friction surface itself, and increases the overall safety in the adverse weather itself. Okay, with this we come to the end of this session of the traction control system. We will see the next session. Thank you.